Testing, 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 testing. We live. Hello, hello, hello. Apparently it's waiting for me to start and I'm here. What do you mean waiting for me to start when I'm here? Like drop the location. Like I'm here. There's no need to wait for next week, for next month, for next year. No, I'm here. You get what I'm saying? So we are having a look at our usual suspect. NQ has 100, nothing more, nothing less. I will remove all drawings currently, and we will dive into the specifics. Anyways, I pray everyone is having an amazing, 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 blessed Tuesday morning. It's currently 12 minutes past 8 p.m. here in South Africa, and it's a bit chilly over there. I won't lie to you guys, pretty chilly, but we outside. We're doing what has to be done. We are having a look at NQ, and it's scheduled for 2. Like I don't understand, bro. Like it's telling me that I'm not on. Let me do this, bro, because this is ridiculous, bro. Oh yeah, we live. 3 people are watching. This video has been removed by the uploader. Why has it been removed by me? Is this a premiere? Yeah, I'm literally tripping over my own video, bro. I hope that works, bro. I'm out here I'm sending out here what do we call this? I'm literally sending out almost said reminders now. I'm sending out my link only for it to not show that I'm live. But anyways, man, I pray everyone is having an amazing, amazing blessed day. We're having a look out at usual suspect. So we'll have a look at this. And today I want to focus on something different. I want to kind of show you how I'm going to analyze price, what I'm going to look at, and what I'm going to study, and the only things I'm going to focus on, nothing more, nothing less. You know me. I'm going to try my best to focus on one aspect that I really wish, not I learned, but oh, hey, here from Kenya, shout out, my good. 9 p.m. there in Kenya. Shout out to you, man. Good to see you. But we are looking at our usual suspect here. The previous 3 hours, as always, 1, 2, and then 3. These are the only times we look at, from 11, 12, 1, and then 2. And personally, I'm looking for longs as we speak, so I would love to see higher prices, but just based on what I'm observing. But we'll get into the gist of why I'm looking into that and how I can frame a model around it. But I want you to view something, right? When 11 a.m. hits, the first thing we have is a bearish inefficiency, or the first inefficiency we have is bearish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on something I want you to go study heading into next week, heading into even today, like is what I want you to see. But I want you to view, if this is the first inefficiency and it's bearish, I want you to watch the first bullish inefficiency. So if we go all the way here, the first one we have is this baby. Right there. This is the first bullish inefficiency post 11. So I'll watch that. And the reason I'm picking it as a bullish one is because that's what the current. Then let me pick a different color, because this is for the first presented inefficiency. This one is for the second. Let me say this one for the third, just to be facetious. For the second is usually in this color green. Where. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the next hour, and those are the only inefficiencies we're gonna study and look at. Everything else I don't really care. Then here what we have is the first inefficiency is bullish, and what do we have? The first bearish inefficiency, which is the small one there. So I'll have a look at that right there. Okay, no problem. So we have that we have this inefficiency, we have that inefficiency, and I'll look at here. What's first inefficiency that presented here is bearish, and then this is the first bullish one. That's kind of how I look at it. So that's literally, these are the only 3 levels I'm going to look at, and I'm going to look to execute long or short relative to these. So first of all, everything else don't matter except these 3 inefficiencies. This, I want to see, is it going to use this to roll over and target that low first, take out sell side, and then buy side. So I'm looking for it to clear sell side liquidity first, then clear buy side liquidity after. If it don't, it's okay. Like, I'm really cool with it. This is the time in which we expect spooling, manipulation in any shape, way, or form. and let's just do this. It's going to give us, then that's good. If it's going to continue to sell short, then we're just going to continue to study it either way. But hello, hello, hello. Watch out, Trump. I don't care. I don't care, bro. If Trump is going to speak, it's going to go up, my good sir. I know what it's going to say. Watch. Jokes. But anyways, of course it's going to speak, but be cautious. But I'm still looking for higher prices regardless. Trump don't run the financial market. He's a smokescreen for the massacre. So don't be fooled when they say this one is speaking, these ones, they're all puppets, my good sir. You know, as long as what I always say when it comes to the financial market, I'm gonna die one day. You know, so what I'm doing or what I'm saying not doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things, but it's really insignificant. You know, and for you to think that is not true for someone else, then you're just naive. You know, you don't run the financial market. When he passes away, they put in another president. So what makes you think he does it? But anyways, so we are looking to see if this high will hold, and we're going to see lower prices. We're going to watch if an inefficiency forms here, targeting that. I'm not bearish, by the way. I'm just currently studying price. I'm far from bearish, but we with the bulls today, my dog. We with the bulls today, bro. Damn. You down here by sell side liquidity right there. And we have buy side, and then we have a small buy side liquidity right here. This is the one I would look to target. You can always, what I'll do is I'll always look for this as the first shift in market structure. That's how I'll view it if I'm looking at it from this current price action. Why? Because I'm looking for this to be the current swing high. When if we're going to see any displacement lower, then we shouldn't take up this high. If we do, then interesting. And don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid. So what I'm going to do first is, I haven't found any inefficiency. We can look at this inversion. You can go short, like with this, like right there. Oh, this is red. And then just a small short here, targeting sell side. I wouldn't. So what I'm doing here is I'm studying to see price's willingness to continue trading lower. It's not guaranteed, but I'm currently studying. And your stop will just be above the swing high, nothing more, nothing less. The swing high is traded into that inefficiency. And we're looking to see is it going to roll lower and take out that. That's basically the gist of the model. And it's not a model that we're trying to get in sync with the financial market. So don't be scared. Don't think that this is the end all, be all. You know, it's not really. It's literally you just trying to get in sync, and if it's not, then you know, bro. We with the bulls today, my dog. We with the bulls today. So yeah. So don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Drop and speaking in literally 20 minutes. So we're gonna see it sweep sell side first, and then make an attempt for buy side. So that's literally what I'm gonna see. Oh, that's what I want to see. Trump already spoke though. Like, what do you mean Trump is gonna speak? Trump already spoke. What the hell? My boy's tripping, bro. My boy is tripping. And how much is the lag or latency here, bro? Because the way I'm seeing it, bro, like you guys. Of course, yeah, Adobe. Am I lagging? It's because I feel like I'm lagging. Like I'm 6 million years behind. That's sad. I'm actually worried. Huh? Or maybe it's my network, bro. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's tripping on my phone or something. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. Don't know. It's cool though. You'll most probably watch it after for watching. Yeah, most probably watch it after. It's crazy latency. And also, why are we studying this inefficiency? If you look at that, that's the first inefficiency post is bullish. Personally, I would have waited maybe for the first bullish one because when using o'clock, it's not the best time. Yeah, the latency is horrible, eh? Sad. I won't lie, I haven't seen it like this bad, you know? I'm not sure what could be the reason, you know? Like, you'd swear I'm 2 minutes, like I'm literally a solid 3 minutes behind, you know? And that's ridiculous. 3 minute latency, what the hell? Why the hell do we pay Google subscription for? Yeah, of course, it's recorded after the watch. Yeah, let me not stress about it, because if I continue focusing on it, I'm gonna stress like a dog, bro. I'm gonna stress like a dog. So yeah, if. So now we have a bullish inefficiency. We'll look to see if does display inversion, meaning does it look to support price, and we see higher prices, and this remains the low for our. Personally, I don't think so, but we'll see. If it takes out that high, it's cool. For me, I expect it to consolidate. If it does, I don't expect it to roll lower. Look at this. Look at this. So I don't see why they wouldn't do it within the first hour, and that's okay. I'm not really bummed out. As long as I know I'm looking for buy side, this is my ultimate target, honestly. This one right here. That's literally, and the reason for that is because of that, baby. See that? These two right there. These. That's it. If I'm wrong, then like I swear to God, I'm cool. Like I'm not really interested. But I'm looking at these relative equal highs, that right there, that, and then yeah. So if it sweeps sell side, that's okay. It can do it once, or it can just remain in the current range we're in, which is that high to that low, and that's okay. I don't mind that. Just wait to stay in this range. It's in the lower 25%. It'll be surprising you. This is the low. Literally, to be freaking surprising you. This is the low of day. I don't like these people are greedy. They want to take you out, and then once they do, they're gonna run these highs. I swear to God, bro. That's how I feel. So yeah, that's literally like I don't see why you wouldn't, bro. So shorts are still playing out. If you look into inversion, this would be the only place I would suggest you long, but we're still with the Bears, bro. We're still with the Bears. So look to see if this is what we can get. Just for now, low hanging fruit, right there. And maybe I believe these people are greedy. They might sweep these lows and then run higher. If not, then this is the low of day, which I don't see that, bro. I see them sweeping the lows and then running the highs. 5 by 5, 6 by 6 moonchild. We're here, bro. Are we here? There's a lot of latency though, bro. Like when I'm watching it, we are like, I'm 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, a whole 5 minutes behind, bro. What do you mean, dog? Nah, this is crazy, bro. Like screen translation. Is there a way to maybe change the latency? How do we do that? Is there like, do we go to settings or something, bro? Like, I need you to teach me, bro, these things, dog. Output, I think. Video rate. Is this a good? I don't know. The video editor, very fast. Medium UCPs. faster, ultra fast. So what does this mean? High quality, high CPU. Let me just say faster, or should I go high CPU usage? Does that mean they're only recording with the software encode at a different quality than the stream will require extra CPU if you stream and record at the same time? Yeah, isn't that what we're doing? So let me not go to the higher. Let me just go to faster. And then see if it will cut the latency. Okay. Then audio decoder, obviously the normal recording aware. So let's see now how many minutes of latency I'm in. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 4. I hope. Actually, it's 3 now. We better. Like, y'all can hear me, yeah. Yeah, man, we don't lag on X, bro. We don't lag on X, bro. We don't lag on X. We literally don't, bro. We don't. Like, we there on time, bro. You know, we like there on time. So I try to increase the fastness thing. If it don't, then like we gotta find a way, bro. Cause this is bull crap. Like, we can't be freaking paying all these subscriptions and stuff, and they're giving us like freaking 5 minutes of latency, bro. 5 minutes, you would have made 1 million already, bro. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying, bro. Okay, you can expect 2:30, 2 minutes from now to really displace and make an attempt for these lows. That's kind of what I see. Let me just change these because I don't like, yeah, because the highlighted means that's what I'm aiming for. And then if I'm just looking for sell side, that means nah. But it's always good to see you guys, always good to hear from you guys. I don't, it might affect us, bro. I won't lie to you guys, man. It might affect us, bro, because this is ridiculous, bro. Man, a 5 minute lag is crazy, bro. Like, I'm literally watching my own live stream and I'm watching me talk about things I spoke about 3 minutes ago. And it's like, what the hell? I'm dying here, bro. I am dying. I am literally dying here. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I need to move to SpaceX or something. Cause what the hell is going on here, bro? What do you mean? Like, we are out here, but anyways, anyways, if you're gonna watch it recorded, that's beautiful. 2:30. Now you wanna see what? Spooling, displacing. You wanna see running in one direction, preferably for what? For south side. Why? Because it kickstarts another schedule. Hold up. Yeah, we back, bro. Even with the latency, these people, we gonna kill them. We literally gonna do that. Don't matter. We still go run circles on them. Anyways, Moonchild, you said you have a question with regards to consolidation. Talk to me, my good sir. Please talk to me. I'm here to answer anything and everything in live price action, because that's kind of what we're looking at. I'm a bit frustrated, bro, on the lag thing, bro. Like, it's 2026, bro. Like, we can't be living in such a reality, bro. We can't. We really can't. So something must give here. Something must give here. Unless it's just my network, though. But literally, man, we should see it spool in one direction. So be patient. 1 minute in. And if it's the low, it's okay. Like, if you look at it from the current range we're in, from this high all the way to that low there. Just this, from there to there. We're currently chilling at 25%. We bounced once, we bounced twice, and this is the time for spooling. But in my opinion, I think they're gonna sweep liquidity first. This is an inefficiency that rests on the 25, meaning it's a very important one. Um, Literally. So you gotta be cautious of these. Look at that. The first bearish inefficiency forms flight rate 50%. Isn't that beautiful? I like seeing stuff like these are my favorite inefficiencies. Like these ones that really line up like this, and you're using a conceptual idea where we are studying the second inefficiency relative to the first one that prints. If the first one is bearish, we study the first bullish one. If the first one is bullish, we study the first bearish one. And if this one, the first one is bearish, which is the small one, we study the first bullish one. So now we've traded into that, meaning we've opened to trade into it once, trade into it twice, and then we're entering 230 where we're expecting spooling to occur. So if it's going to spool anywhere, meaning it's going to run for something, it's going to do it now. And if it runs for buy side, that's potentially a shift in market structure. You could see it as that, but be cautious. It's a very manipulated market. That's why we're here. That's literally why we're here. It's a manipulated market. The thing is, look at it this way. When you're trying to the question is, for example, considering a consolidation, if previous liquidities have been squeezed, meaning they've been taken out, should we consider these pools to be taken out of the range and wait for further, basically, information? Because this is like yesterday's fraction where we see the sell-off. Yes and no. When first of all, you just gotta know what you're looking for. If you're looking for liquidity, meaning you are looking for something awfully specific to occur. I'm always looking for liquidity to get engaged and then offset. So meaning, like for example, when I come here and it's 3 heading to 4 o'clock, even though the market has been primarily bearish the whole day, I'm looking for them to use what? The last hour to manipulate and take it higher, because they could use the last hour and just run it lower one more time, which is I genuinely think they'll do that, bro. Because why would they leave 930 lows, bro? Like I don't understand. Like that's free money, bro. That's free money. So I don't understand. I really don't, bro. But they could do that. But you need to understand the first thing I always come here and do is I read the narrative. The problem with you guys is when you come here, you're already looking. Where's the double top? Where's the double bottom? Where's this? Where's that? That's cool. Because that means you can spot whose money you're taking. You can spot the liquidity. That's cool. Aware. What you need to ask yourself is how are we going to take? We have swept sell side here. So if we displace higher, then I would have loved it to break this low and then continue to displace lower. But like the fact that we've done that, we should see further expansion heading into 1436, 1437, 1440. That's the one. Like 1440 should be below these though by the time we reach 1440. But literally, when you're viewing it from this perspective, where you come in and you know whose money you're going to take, then you need to find out how the fuck are you going to take that money. You know, are you going to do it at this hour? Are you going to do it at the next hour? The first thing I did when I came into these financial markets is I said, let me see if I can get in sync. I'm awfully bullish, but I said, let me see if I can get in sync. And the first order of business was to go to short, studying what? The conceptual idea I'm making you focus on is if you're studying from this hour, this is the first inefficiency. What is it? It's bearish. No worries. You look, this is the small one. You have the small one. It's too small for me. Then we have bearish inefficiencies, bearish inefficiencies. This is the first bullish one. Study that. Beautiful market to the left. Then we have what here? We have the o'clock opens and we have the first bullish inefficiency, which is this baby here. You get? With the bulls here. So now what am I going to look for? The first bearish one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. That's the first bearish one. And what does it do? We trade into it once, twice, and then last time, then we roll lower. I can teach you about time, the entries, 136 and all that later, but like you first need to understand where your entries will form. Then what do we have here? We have the first bearish inefficiency. It's the first bullish one. We trade into it, beautiful. We roll lower, trade back, touch, and then sell off to this inefficiency. Consolidate there, trade into it once, twice, three times, and then we want to see it roll lower and target most probably sell side. But obviously, I'm awfully, just for the fact that we have those two buy sides liquidity, I'm awfully bullish. But we should see tag our lows in at least the next 3 minutes. If not, then trade setup should be null and void, and we'll get efficiently removed from the marketplace, my good sir. But how many handles are we here? Be honest. You know me when I trade, man. You know me, my students. Just 20 handles. I'll be done now. I'll be done. You'll know me. That from day to day, I'm done. I call it a day, but let's squeeze it for what it's worth, and then just see if we can bag these lows, bro. It's free freaking money, guys. It's free freaking money. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, bro. I'm awfully specific here. I'm not being vague, right? Let me show you. There's only a few times I'm looking at the current range from that high to that low. What do we have? We have all these relative equal highs. What I'm expecting is we're taking sell side and then we run for buy side. That's it. If push comes to shove, they could sweep this because this market is awfully manipulated and then leave that one intact. I don't know, but we looking for cookie cutter. We're looking here to. I'm making money for breakfast tomorrow here. That's what I'm doing. I'm making money for breakfast here. So this is literally what I'm doing. I'm literally making money for tomorrow breakfast, and it's just a quick little scalpy, if you wanna call it that. No, nothing vague. I told you I'm selling now. I told you where my stop loss is. I told you where my target is. Doesn't matter the lag and latency because